Kani kedai Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki Kotkhubor baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Uba Lambok Thabah, ubalong unong tho Kotkhubor, balapau khamat bha ha ka jila Meghalaya, mentala kumba arpos nemtam AA. Bat ubalong ru ka jokapor editor jang Kotkhubor khasi Nongsaiñ Hima. Ula khlat kindet ha ka arpo atrik nailur arjar arpo ha ka por san baje em stamp ha Bethany Hospital Shillong dang ha kerta ka wasau khandai snem. Dak ni ka jing Khladnoh ba kindet mentang singi ula e no shedien ya ikurem ikong Mildred Son arngut gi khun chinrang iwei kun kan thai bat iwei khun kisiu kan thai kat kum ka jing thu jong ki bahaya asam lakhai ba Lambok Thabah ha ka khat santri ujil ka khandai spa nyu phoi ula rung sha ka kam tho khubor malumala kisnam khat khandai spa khandai phulai khandai busau da ka sedang ningkong e ha ka Kotkhubor khasi belatep kum rupang bat hadin kan yau ratri ru kum nong tho khubor ha ka Kotkhubor phareng the Shillong Times bat hadin pan ula shimti ka kam kum editor Jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Ketingca kebangun taklah dan periang kita kerja kesan memang menit kos kecil idang-idang petah kepada diriah ke WhatsApp grup jenis sekolah grup jenis mesti mengikuti bain dan suruh ke bawah indah itu kata-kata ini ngai dia senang lah itu bagi mentah kepala kesan idang-idang ketinggian yang baca dah ini dipor berang kalau down mau terwa ban berak kedok khat ini memang di Ramadan ini ba banyak khat jadi kalau kita ke jingko ke bakal ba ngaruh semua perlu untuk ba jam ba per best ko tu ini kita pakai kubur nak duk yo jadi ini kita pakai kubur ba sempang ba kali kam bala jio kusnam tengru kalau kam berak ba kita nak kermen ba mesin tu kena sak ke jing kan mau kami kami kerman ba oblong ai ketinggal saya kembali
long ke pon la pergi Khladnoh Jong wayne kinong pakai kubor di Lambok ba menmiet kita punya chat dan video call atau WhatsApp group buat menmiet udang phone kita punya keren karena phone dan step kendet kesan mai dan kentip juga dalam plan dalam long way ni kita kubur kosong kemat penilai Shanghai penilai Jawa kubur keleng-keleng ke rikasi buat baru jadi kejingdu kau ya kini ke profession jungi mentang itahi mentangan umdan pun ong nomor berarti mengemak pengen Khladnoh jungi
ke jingkendet Thabah bang dan ustaz punya board betul jadi Lambok Thabah ini dan show akan selamat hai belum ke kita kemar kamenin dari Indo dari keren yang kena kubur kita jam dari dengan mustafat hakdak juga berjaya bersusi along ke jingdu ke bakrau ini Nongsaiñ Hima dengan along kita nyusna mentah along sisa atau nongalam berselur ai mensim di parano tray buat upload ru bandan kata mensim banyak tray lang di wan lagi dang kami kena itu tray berbor itu ai mensim itu kesan baik yang kedua makam yang kedua kubur di bawah yang kedua kompor itu akan upah bagi solam kita dibahagian ngaduk nak lupa parian buat konsumsi kalau bah duduk kalau bahak apa bah tempoi pekan mari balam berserta ibu hamdan Muhammad kebah tom nong beliau berpan nong beliau bersama pasti nama kata nong beliau konsumsi baik ini buat kedua bah konsumsi jadi tidak kaya ada di sini.
Aktor kepala.
Amen.
Kotkhubor. Kau yang ulang ni di Desember dan balam. Yai ba melokot. Nak disaput hai. Hai di kisnem kibalik. Wilayah identiti. Kristen Ikhiya kalian Jong kebalang. Kita Jong kebalang. Bagi kamu Jong Kristen ketau kita menang kesalahan. They try cannot give I shame but when pick snake and see him to lump I eat a jingle had a bomb chukut but I don't canoe go wait go on Kajikang Tisankin even on pie shame and Kapor and Gidway getting dry these new blades by your sign of Venta come and see him to eat by men Yelami ish a yen Kabamlakan Krenak and tie he wait in Kupa jungi kubaha ni kalau ko kita cuma amat lima je kalau kamu je kalau kubaha ni tuai ni entah jubang ini bahasa kesini macam ni kalau kami jungi kembali lagi bahawa kita sini berwajib dalam istiqamah baik pulai ini pasti amin kublai komaria kepada kita dan kami kembali aku yang lewat tak sebab kau kepala berjukut amin Islam bersin berjingau day jompo ide terakhir kami Yesus akan terbiang antara kau jadi bercakap saya baru Namar kecil syastam basusi pangjung punjung me. Terus lagi berpercaya barawai. Namar kecil syastam basusi pangjung punjung me. Terus lagi berpercaya barawai. Namar kecil syastam basusi pangjung punjung me. Terus lagi berpercaya barawai. Namar wai ko try ko mesiam jing balam kecil jatat ke bam jukun. Try ko na kecil kang jujok. Try ko mesiam jing jatat na kecil suk. Wai ko try ko mesiam jing balam kecil jatat ke bam jukun. Injak thai kecing sup, kop pa jungi, pa kena kop kecing jungi, wani mau jadi kalau mau jadi dewa ni, wai kita paham ni bahasa Melayu, bahasa Melayu, mai rumah bersih, Kaburang hok pa berukun bermensi berkoi, Ko dalam buku camu Yesus, Maria akan mengirapi Kristen, agar jangan pa berukun bermensi berkoi.
Nakaliang jong dekat ke Shillong Press Club, kila pelong rui ke jingelang ngolem halor ni ke jing Khladnoh jong ba Lambok Thabah, ha nong ba Shillong. Hakaba ki para dekat kila penpa ke jing songsi ke bakrau halor ke jing no jong ki yau parlong uba ki ju trelang brosh kata kisnem ya kemet jong ba Lambok Thabah on tap dan buram hak arp sau trek unai luar arjar arpau ha ulum jing tap ke balang katlik ha maulai motawar hak por arbeje no paisngi.
Many of us has sacrificed a lot. I think Balam also he didn't have time even to go for checkup. Then he has to let this set in us. Okay, for all of us, those who have gone is gone. What about family? Our families? What about children? Suddenly the source of income has to be cut. What do we have in future? We don't have pension. We don't have anything. I think this is the day, this is the time that we should wonder, we should think. We should think of ourselves, for our families. We have given so much. We have sacrificed a lot. We have faced a lot of criticism, not only from the public, from the government, from everywhere. We didn't have any support from anywhere. My friends, I take this opportunity. Let us think about ourselves, about this profession that we love so much. But when it came to this very sad incident, we don't have any answer. I don't have any answer to give to my last friend. What do I say to them? Because we don't have any future. So, on behalf of Shillong Press Club and myself, I would like to convey my deepest sadness to the family of Lambok Thabah and to the member and staff of Nongsaiñ.
I saw he really gave his dedication to this profession. And the direction that he has given to the reporters, he will say, you do this today and the other one will do that. So everything, it was under his guidance. So really I cannot have any word to express. I really was shocked when I saw the message today. But at the same time also I would like just to inform our friends here, not a month back, that MEPA has met the government, has met the speaker. We are not only speaking about the welfare of MEPA, and have strongly urged the government that the pension scheme for the journalists should be implemented immediately, and that the journalist welfare fund also should be enhanced, which the government has agreed on that. And I think not only I think, but the preparation is already almost at the final stage.
Like, he really got dedicated to this profession, and he was really, imagine choosing to do this work, like it is a great thing for this profession, which is so poorly paid, which is like Powell said, there's no security, but then people continue to work in this because somehow we love this profession, and it's difficult to leave this job. So Thabah, after he became an editor of Nongsaiñ Hima also, he has given Nongsaiñ Hima a new look. He has been able to bring up that paper as the editor, and as he also received the Ramnath Goenka award for excellent reporting. So he was a role model for many people and he will be in the future also when people want to join this profession. And I must say that we will really miss him, and we hope that other Thabahs also will be there who love this profession and will not let this profession, will not leave this profession just because they do not, there is not enough support system within this profession, but we'll continue to hold up whatever little we can do in this line of work that we have chosen. So rest in peace, Thabah, we will remember you always.
Pagkasiyam babalam di buwi baspat ha ban simenta ban lelung khubor naking dorba di balam lebih isa kan noksa yang bejing taistom nakamata jama jompi di kawai ka soli batang long maka Nongsaiñ Hima kala Nongsaiñ Hima ke khori Nongsaiñ Hima kala im pat ini kan bakal im bakal jahat bah di nakadam di bidang kristom di balam pat kunjuk di nakalian di management ini pasang bah kunjuk di takadialam di lalam anya sini di reporter padin takadal Nongsaiñ Hima ayen kau kawai ni Kotkhubor pasal di jelas kawai Kotkhubor ke bah labiang sisa balayo ikanang kuburum kabayo ikujingero kabala long kanong kasiu ibabun kiyang nak kajay ko di bisni di ngasko benang ba kajing Khladnoh barang kalau kajing du nak benda ka Kotkhubor ngai scam ke sabi pa digilay pa kamba sisu tin ray kalau long kanong sa nak benda jigi benang kristom bas ko ikanot kabang sodi betong kalau ba sodi betong kalau ana susi yes musik kan ada dengan seorang orang mengirim sokunan babun kibri Khladnoh na pakai di damat di sistem bersirkai dari balam kan ong ba idan bok ba Khladnoh hak tu kudur kan dia tu kita pang kita masih semua nak kalian jangan tu ngadai dengan lain ni boleh masuk dan bab ni let tu boleh undi jajai i boleh untuk dengan ya kini bahing santri kita sudah nak kesan tekawai kamu sekarang bangin kat pa di boleh bangun lam alkan ini bahing kesantri untuk dengan lam unang kesan boleh ya kayak kesantri nama kita orang ya sekarang